Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a rainbow look featuring the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pomade in the shade 3.5 using the Benefit Brow Brush. This pomade is great for creating a really defined brow, perfect for any glam look. Using the PLouise Acid Rain Cut Crease brush, I'm carving around the edges of the brow with the PLouise base in the shade 0.5. Before moving on to eyeshadow, I'm setting the brows in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and tapping the PLouise base all over the lid. After waiting a few seconds for the PLouise base to set, I'm dipping into the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. First, I'm going in with the matte cobalt blue shade called Iconic. I'm using a medium blending brush by Sigma Beauty to apply this to the outer corner of my eye, tapping it into place and swirling in circular motions to blend. Next, I'm adding the bright matte violet shade called Majestic to the center of the crease using the Morphe M506 brush, which is slightly smaller than the brush I just used. Now for the inner part of the crease next to the purple, I'm applying the matte warm yellow shade called Bonus Points. Next, I'm adding just a little bit of the shade Paradise, which is a vivid hot red pink shade. This combination creates a nice sunset orange color since there really isn't a matte orange in the palette. I'm blending some more yellow onto the upper edge of that inner crease area with the Morphe M562 brush, and then I'm cutting the crease. Using the PLouise base and a small flat Morphe JH42 brush, I'm creating a half moon shape starting from the inner corner of the eye going all the way to the outer corner of the eye. Now that my lid is a blank canvas, I'm blending the blue from the crease into the outer V so that it flows onto the lid in the outer corner. Then I'm adding the yellow next to it and creating a nice green in between the two just by blending. Now I'm filling in the rest of the blank lid space with the matte pink shade called Lovecraft. For a bit of sparkle, I'm tapping on the prismatic glitter shade, which is a beautiful mid-tone pink glitter with rainbow pinpoints right on top of that matte pink shade. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer. Then I'm applying the foundation and concealer from the same Pretty Fresh collection. The foundation is shade 20 and the concealer is shade 10. After blending those with my beauty blender, I'm bronzing with the Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm in the shade Light. I'm tapping this on to not disturb the foundation using a dense tapered brush by SL Miss Glam. I'm then switching to a detailed blending brush and using it to contour my nose. Now that I'm done with all of my liquid and cream products, I'm setting underneath the eyes with the Ciate Extraordinary Setting Powder and going in with the rest of my powder products. For blush, I'm using the Colourpop Forever Yours Pressed Powder Blush. For highlighter, I'm using the Super Shock Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. This is a cream to powder formula. Applying it with a brush gives a nice airbrushed effect, and I find that tapping it works better than swiping. After that, I'm setting everything in place with the new Urban Decay All Nighter Hyaluronic Acid Dewy Setting Spray and finishing off my eyes. First, I'm sweeping the blue shadow around the eye so that it connects to the bottom lash line. Then I'm applying the yellow shade in the inner part and adding the matte green shade called Dyed Up to the middle. After that, I'm tapping on the shade Lucky Charm to my inner corner. Now I'm curling my lashes, applying the Benefit FanFest mascara and a pair of falsies from visofree in the style E1. To blend the falsies a bit better, I like to tightline. To do this, I'm using the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market by Urban Decay. Then I'm adding a pop of yellow to my waterline with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Punch. To finish off the eyes, I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm first lining my lips with the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Love That. This really does have a plumping sensation. After that, I'm applying the Luxe Lip Oil in Comb By. And that completes this rainbow look. Let me know if you've had a great Pride Month in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!